He's going to catch a lightning bug for us. Oh, look at that one. That's not a lightning bug. That's a different kind of beetle.
2.
Oh, he caught us 2 lightning bugs. Okay, let's see.
Are you taking video?
Yep. This is what lightning bugs look like here in the United States. See?
It's gonna fly away. Or no, wait, it's gonna fly away. One of these. Feels so weird. See?
Oh, there goes. You could have let it go.
It's right there.
Oh, down there in the grass.
Come on.
He's gonna tickle your arm. He's gonna go in your armpit and go down in your shirt.
Oh my gosh.
Why don't you put your... Oh, there he is. I just want to see him light up.
Right there. Oh.
I couldn't see him. Where'd he go? Let's follow him.
Donut. Donut.
Could you see him? Probably not, but he lit up.
Gonna light up.
Well, hold still.
Shit.
Oh, I don't know where he went.
Over there. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, give me.
Nope, I see him. And he just lit up again. No, he's gone.
He's right there.
Oh, I saw him.